Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter and pay a bill in QuickBooks Online. This process only takes a few minutes, but it's really important for keeping your business finances organized and up to date. So let's dive right in. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account, head to the QuickBooks website, click the Sign In button, and select QuickBooks Online from the options. Then enter your username and password carefully, and click Continue to log in. Once you're inside QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your bill. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the plus new button and click it. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Bill. This is where you'll add the details of the bill you received. At the top of the bill form, you'll see a drop-down labeled Vendor. Choose the correct vendor here because this affects your records and reports. Right below that, you'll find another drop-down called Terms. This is where you select the payment terms, such as net 30 or net 60, depending on what you agreed upon with your vendor. Next, enter the bill date, which is the date printed on the bill, and right beside it, add the due date to make sure payments are made on time. Also, don't forget to enter the bill number, which is usually listed on the vendor's invoice. These details make tracking and organizing bills much easier. Now scroll down to the category Details section. Here, describe the goods or services the bill is for. Be clear and accurate so your bookkeeping stays clean. Then enter the bill amount along with any taxes that apply. Getting these numbers right is essential for accurate financial statements. Once you've filled out everything, click Save and Close to record the bill. And if this bill is something you plan to pass along to a customer later, simply check the billable box and select the customer's name. And that's it. You've now entered and recorded a bill in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps makes sure your finances stay accurate and your payments on track, keeping your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy QuickBooks tutorials just like this.